wonderful tail waggers who stand before you are real troopers. They want to raise your awareness that there are many pets out in our community who need your help, that you have an opportunity in their lives by donating bags of dog and cat food to the Foothill Unity Center so that families will be able to feed their precious pets and keep them out of the shelters. Sundance and Maggie, if they could speak, would like to express their appreciation for your support to this worthy cause.
Oh, everybody's got to stand.
The day that we've all been waiting for. Today, Maggie and Sundance will be exchanging collars and declaring to all the world that they want to be partners for life. We invite you to bring both pet food and people food to the Foothill Unity Center throughout the year. At this time, I would also like to introduce you to the special members of our wedding party. On our bride's side, we have Moon, who is our maid of honor, and Clarita, who is our collar bearer. And our groom's side, I hope I have it right, we have Wyatt, who is the best man, and Ernie, there's Ernie, and Clifford, and Kunga, and Jake. You have everybody now? Good. It is now the time that they share their vows of commitment to each other. Here is what they would like to say if they could speak in human words. We, Maggie and Sundance, pledge to stop and sniff the flowers together as we walk the doggy pathways of life with our leashes now joined. We will share our toys and biscuits with each other from this day forward. We dedicate our union toward bringing comfort and joy to all we meet along the way. Now we can bring twice as much love and companionship with each other everywhere we go. We thank everyone who came here today to celebrate our wedding with us and to help feed our less fortunate brothers and sisters. Please do not forget the shelter animals who are waiting for homes. We wag our tails in salute to you. And Clarita, may I now have the collars, please? And Maggie, here is your collar, a gift from your beloved. And Sundance, here is your collar from your best tail-wagging companion. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to introduce you to Maggie and Sundance, the world's newest tail-wagging couple.